Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, put it up. Yes, yo, oh God, yo.
To see me, I can't drive me down. I bet. No man not drive me down. Hi Sandra. Cause them girls coming like clothespin. As you squeeze them head, them legs them open. As man see them and go psst, aye, the man don't even call to them. As them see the man drive past and the man not Chris case. Oh my god, I need to fuck him. Fucking little tot. Not a blood clot on a can't argue with me. Hey girl, up here laugh, me I laugh for you while me in here read on my house. Me laugh. Me in here sit down and make order. Me laugh. Me say I laugh till a blood clot. Weak. No sir, this precious girl sound wild. She very wild. Precious, oh my god, you know what I'm telling you about pissy blood clot Precious. Precious go fuck Frosty and the first night she go fling the pussy pan Frosty and go back at Frosty and she pissed the man blood clot then. Precious pussy can't blood clot grip. She have weak blood clot blood and weak everything. And so when she breathe for her friend man, ask her, the pitney drop out her big blood clot hole for show you how precious pussy big. And she can't hold no, she can't hold up her paste. She can't hold up no pitney. Even the last one where she breathe one day, they have to put much sitting in her and stitch her up while she blood clot pregnant. Precious, I can't argue with me. Don't make up no story for me. I'm a good life. Remember me a girl whenever I roam street call my mother this streak. And anybody when know me can tell you that. You see, my mother, Prudence, they very, very strict. Me not ask Christ, as school over, Prudence make me know 15 minutes after walk and come down at the road, I jump on your bus and reach on your blood clot yard. And when me start, me have to take off my school shirt and make sure a button don't go missing. Cause if a button go missing, me I get beaten for the button. Me not lie to no. Me not lie to now, swear to God, but you see, dirty little precious blood clot. I'll fear any tough no blood clot. No matter how much pack a relaxer you put in it, it can't relax. I want bomber brush it. Hey, let me tell you something, man. Precious, you're too enough. You come make up story for my good life, for my good welfare. Move your blood clot. Precious, no man never want you. Precious, remember your fuck blood clot, Wale. You suck Wale cocky, you fuck Wale, you lick out Wale body. In a college, in a Brookhouse College, B6. And remember blood clot, Wale looking at your face and look past you when him friend them come out there and say, don't want you, and me want. Him want the cutes. What am I say? And me tell you, say, me never want the Nigerian boy. Yeah, go on with the Nigerian man, but don't want him. And while I run you like a dog in front of me. Precious, if me they want, me could have done some horrible things, because me not look for you. Me not look for you on the old school money self. Because you take man from 1901. Remember when me in a secondary school and tell you, well, I me a virgin still? And used to laugh off at me and go like, dashing up pussy was the in thing. I lied, now we catch up on the blood clot. And no one go like so, no, they have pussy principle. No, never have none. Move on the dirty fuck up blood clot and go tidong. Where? I come go like under the a long time you walk Precious. Come with blood clot reason. Cause poor don't give me your blood clot file, you know. I say you're going to party and see man I dance up for next man. Like him business and I tell him about to pick me a blood clot him. You tell poor about you want 250 pounds a week. Move yourself pussy blood clot. Go sell your pick me somewhere else. Come with blood clot reason because you own a baby father talk your deeds. Hey, I want to put things there for me talk, you know. Hey, Precious, you make a blood clot get to boy, I make up straight for my nice clean pussy. I'm a good baby father them. Move your blood clot. You can't say no. But a big Sunday father, that Sunday, 19-year-old, well taken care of. Him have to beat him chest when him see him son and him have to rate me and him say it all the time. But you see you, I'm grateful for you. I'm not telling a lie. I rate you. You don't understand. Look at my youth. Like, my youth's Chris Rika. Like, you've done really good with my... How we are top boy? Precious, go sit down. My baby father have jewelry shop. What go on for you and the man them where you're over there, so fuck. Precious, go sit down. Anything we can go in and jewelry shop and get it. Precious, go sit down. I know what go on for you, girl. Me don't know what go on for you. But no, say my pitney them started out. No, no, when I shot and nothing over your son. And that's the four about. Me never call no girl yet and tell them me need what? Light, gas, and food. Not for my kiddies, you bright? Not for myself. You're out of order. I want to on a broke and hungry and miserable. No day and no time. You can never hear a girl come by your and say, Cutie used to beg me money to buy milk or light and gas or food for your young man or blood clot. Me don't know what to them beggy girl ya. On a sick now on a blood clot head. Me nah do not ipa internet chattings. We do not uno no make blood class and some me have receipt on the wall uno. Precious your piss lance bed. Precious when you're the younger member, you say you got Nigeria for obi your blood clot lance. Flans want you want breed for the boy and the boy never want you never want your blood clot breed. Remember you, Precious Sally, you say you go cook up blood clot okra for lads. You's a wicked blood clot evil Nigerian bitch. Hey, when I come up from a blood clot, you know watch a man cocky more than blood clot me. I want to know like when I whip on the cocky for dropping out on a blood clot more and lick out on a blood clot teeth. Oh no, watch Kevin cocky. Don't worry about Roddy. Remember Roddy bang with him blood clot cocky. I want to know no need for go worry about phone business. Lady boy, you need to worry about your herpes pussy. You need to worry about if you were to ever get a man to fuck you now, is he gonna sit with you and are you gonna honestly tell him that you have got the problem, this horrible virus called herpes, and fucking bareback, or you gonna tell him put on a condom, babes, because this is what it is. I've got herpes and it's like AIDS and it flare up and you know it can make your dick look fussy and rotten off and shit. Or are you gonna sit there and pretend and make them all beat you up like the rest of them beat you up like Manny done you, Babs done you, the fucking Ghanaian man done you, the whole of them blood clot done you talk about. Bitch, shut the fuck up. Herpes pussy girl, I say you the claim say yeah. There was the other guy that you give money for car. Wait there. And he come, and it was his baby mom car that he rent to you, and he stole back the car when you were living in Almaden, and your kid's iPad was in there, and your shoes was, you don't have blood clot, no. You and them girly boy that broke out hungry and blood clot miserable. What is hurting you in life right now? You have not got me to fund your life no more for you and them girly boys. You cannot pick up that phone and message me and call me and tell me you want light, you want gas, you want food, because you broke out hungry and blood clot miserable, and we all know that. I know you went on my Snapchat and see the orderings and the things them, and that's what hurt you. Just repost my things them, bitch. Me tell you say just blood clot repost. No overtype. But you what? Every fuck when my blood clot put on me now ask Christ. Any boy will get my pussy, I gotta tell you say Arika of the Oko. It's sweet. When me say I me up the me no one left. I me up the me not left. I me up the Afi come back pussy. A girl go sit down, I want to you. My baby father them operate me because them can never say that girl you walk and beg no girl nah no boy for them blood clot pick me. Anyway, them me I go feed. What me say? I mean I'm Cutie achiever. Achieve and believe, bitch. Achieve and motherfucking believe. Busy Precious! What do your sister over there type indirect and you over there type and I talk about like no blood clot innocent. Don't make up no blood clot story for me about no Palace Pavilion with my baby father. Cause my baby father couldn't fuck me from no party hotter than Brighty. But when the boy did see me in a Palace Pavilion back in the days when me younger, the boy run behind me. Precious, I remember you was a fiend, you was a crackhead. You used to sit on Nike and I tell him about figure £10 for buy weed for your game number, all these things. Precious cover reason because I know the whole internet. Remember say I might be before and him talk it. You wanted to sell my number for a 10 bag of weed, bro. Like deep you scatty bitch. No, Precious. Remember really, did you not fuck Asco? Alright, let me reason with you. His woman that he was with at the time, where did I meet her? Was it not in your yard in Shoreditch? Your one bedroom that you're stuck up in right now with your daughter, fucking in front of Precious Sally you. Because you're in a one bedroom in fucking Shoreditch still. Come with blood clot reason. The stinking girl still attacks this. Yes, sis. Me I tell you, she very pressed and worry about my baby father. This time I stick it on her dirty blood clot. Come reason. Pissy blood clot, Precious. Member say you and Yabo Sally you, Precious Sally you. Two blood sister wanna claim wanna come from the same mother pussy, the same father cocky, when ejaculating on the mama. Remember the two wanna fuck my baby father Shani. The two wanna walk and suck. Every blood clot man cocky wanna friend them fuck. Me don't know if I saw no love taste girl pussy juice or what. Cover blood clot reason, no? Cover reason. Herpes pussy, me don't rub out your long pussy tongue and your dead blood clot pussy, no, cause you don't make sense. Right now, you just look like a blood clot delulu loser. You just look like you lost. You're just a lost soul. You're a nobody. You're looking some kind of attention. You want some kind of help. You're here, there, everywhere, bitch. You're all over. You want me. You want Rhodey. You want the sister. You want our kids. You want to be us so badly. You're lost, bitch. Like, get your shit together, innit? Make it make sense. If you want us that badly, we're here. Just call the phone. You're putting 073. Bitch, call the motherfucking number and tell us where you want to meet. You got the call. Oh, someone said they saw him here. So you should have get up and go meet him. You should have get up. You want to see all these people and you want them out here with them there now. Come out of your blood clot house with your toilet in your blood clot kitchen, dirty little dog. Herpes pussy girl. Girl, we have to go with your blood clot condom. The blue blood clot carrier bag and 2 blood clot bin bag for make sure man not catch no herpes from her. Girl, we need to buy condom for blood clot lips, cause all your motor blood clot frat up and the whole of the pus and something them pan it. Herpes pussy girl, you can't show your face. You can't show your body. You can't show your ass. And you can't show your girly boy picnic them. Cause the whole of them look like them sticking in one part of one place in a one blood clot village. Nothing no make sense from blood clot them, the foot, the cap and the cap. Come with blood clot reason. Come with reason boy, you chill about boy them. Come with reason now, cause you go like some more partial blood clot, you and them condemn picnic them. Bitch, if the father can diss them, me can blood clot diss them. The father fuck you and neglect you and reject the whole of blood clot them. The 2 blood clot man them. Bob say I walk past you if you have blood clot them. Money eat you and despise him when I do the blood clot him. The whole of them want chop off your blood clot head. I wonder if them take crap, me can give them something, them take an overdose and come do it for me. Go on by your business, yeah, girl. All you no make no blood clot sense. Enough to talk upon people and them baby father. I went to church today. I tell you, I got church today to on the TV. I saw it go. And play a little gospel in my kitchen when I cook dinner. I saw it go. I saw it go. You know what we done about them blood clot? We just got, Lord forgive me and pardon my soul. Yeah, the Bible said, come as you are, baby. You're blessed from the corner of your head to the sole of your feet. Don't watch them bucket pussy, girl. We're blessed. See them we. Them can't blood clot, condemn we. We're blessed. And that's to hurt them. Look, imagine, I'm not even do lifestyle at England, girl, but just I get up the nice things them and I get ready for take another quick trip. Come no man. Wait no man. Talk truth. Eh? I don't understand. It look like Sir Roddy never... Precious, what's your problem? You did set Roddy for fuck your friend Lenicia. Why you did want him coming at yours that her mouth? Come know you love fuck your blood clot friend them, man. You did want him fuck you in a your mouth and fuck Lenicia too? Which is it? Come remember you did call me after you come to me and apologize. You're working a blood class stand. Not even in a shop in a Westfield, you know. I stand in the middle part selling some cheap tacky sunglasses and costume jewelries that's cheap as fuck. Eh? Precious, you don't even have a good job. Psalm 35 and 91 happy Sunday. We Cutie over here. May I tell you? Eh? I gotta wrap up, especially with that Psalms 91. They wrap up your blood clot. Me, I'm mad you out. I'm mad out in a dirty blood clot. Me, I'm mad don't know. Just by looking for my page. Bitch, me never tell if you no blood clot like me and sit down and watch my bumper clot page. You shall mad. Me know everything the whole I wanna do. Call policeman them now own a secret phone. A big pussy. Hey! All tight said bag face stay bad blood clot Cutie. We tell police about me a harasser. My awful laugh. On a sick now on a blood clot head. Eh? You know say you're big and bad and everybody are doing them. So what the problem? I don't understand on no bad blood clot internet people will love call policeman people. Them are mad right blood clot out and me keep on in another mad zone. But anyway, big up me. Big up my nice clean kids will live nice and comfortable no blood clot. Yes, yard and foreign and abroad. And we say assets. And we say our else we are say over here. Somebody type something. Jesus take the wheel by that day. Oh, what else we say? Eh? I we say madam. I we say ayaso. Love my love. I we say good life. I we say foundation over empty hype. I we say broke life never know we forever bossy. I'm all about the money. Like say a nanny grow me. I we say big up for baby father them cause we pick them see them father, yeah. I will not carry no cocky feelings if a boy want fuck him supposed to blood clot fuck we never born with him cocky. That not gonna make a left for picnic for starve and hungry and miserable and then we have to go run in a girl blood clot phone and beg them. Yeah. Mama tell ladies, let me tell you something. No make no blood clot girl tell uno for lock off on a baby father from them child. Do not deprive your child to have a relationship with their dad, even if him not do nothing. Just to know, say your picnic know that is their daddy and they're seeing their daddy and spending quality time. And that man has got his feelings and heart and looking after your child. Do not deprive your child. Them miserable old girl when the man no want them take the picnic from the blood clot man. And Mr. Shani the half a blood clot team picnic. Where them did that mind him yes or no and him half a man in blood clot picnic and me say so. And me say my picnic them half of them father. And me say no girl can never say me come back them nothing and me have a man with blood clot breed me. After no woman breed me, a girl move your dibby blood clot. You can't talk to me. Or you must make the picnic them have a life with them father. Do not listen to these dirty bongos, okay? Some of them girl, let me tell you something. You see, if you know your, let me tell you something. Let's cut this tongue a bit shorter. Una not have picnic for old man. You're having a child because you want the child. And from you know you want the child, whether you have to go thief, fight, steal, do what you have to go do and blood clot mind your picnic. Don't worry about what the man do because you wanted that child. Yes? Man, I argue with no dibby girl at all, baby. You wanted that child. Don't have no picnic because the man say, oh, I want a child. Or because your thing say, yeah, it's gonna keep the man in your life. No. Picnic now, old man again. Stiff titty now, old man again. Girl your money now, old man again. I want do it. Tell them say, I go do all I do it. Girl, I go do all I do it. No herpes pussy. No herpes pussy now, old no man. I go do all a old man. Yes? So when you see where they are coming and a ball for coming, remember no me a drive me and him ball for coming all the time. I him want stop there, I him want stay, a good old I do it. Yes? Alright, thank you very much. Anyway, make sure you do not deprive your child of having a father figure around them. You understand? Just for the sake of the man don't want you. You cannot have a child for a man, guys. Because let me tell you this. Whether you are married, yes or no, one day, expect to be a single mom. That man can get up tomorrow. Him cannot wake up. Him can dead. Okay? That man, him can decide him a walk out of your life and him want a younger girl or an older girl. Anything can happen. So make sure you have that child for you and then you don't try and use that child as a weapon. Now, that's your problem, herpes pussy girl. If you want to use your child and say, yeah, this and yeah, that. Man, he told you in the first place, he didn't want these jackets. But I understand we live in England and you know certain time man need to wear a jacket quite cool. So I understand why you gave him 2 jackets. You get me? And at the same time, it's the same thing you're doing with Babs as well. Check the levels. Yeah, man, herpes pussy girl bad. She bad too, you know. She's a bad little undercover fuckies. And she not run for sell the man them drugs and keep it in her house and then I done fuck them. She not run for say, yeah, bruv, and not to back up. Right. That's how the girl going like she's man them. Which man you think I got blood clot attractive to you? Bitch, you's a drug mule. You stuff to an accusing your big dirty rotten herpes pussy. You sit on pan floor and bag up drugs in a cat yard. And then you go skin out the same dirty, big dirty stinking pussy. Make the boy fuck your country and left you in a country house and then him no one pay you. Alright, you go for work, collect your money and stop fuck your blood clot drug boss them. Anyway, let me read some of my comments. Cutie BF, I thought I was. If I come take your phone, or if I come take it there, I can't bother. Right now, the pan charger, I get up on my leg, let me plug it out. No, my love, we have to drink little water. Remember, a bucket of water I'm drinking on. Yeah, me not drink tap water. Some girl have to drink tap water and feed them, put them on tap water. Let me drink look water. Me That was so refreshing. Remember them not even have little blood clot up water for drink. Not fucking in the cat's house. Yeah, love. Them girl they get breeded up in the bando, babe. That's what they do. They want it to be trap queen and them they know of for blood clot trap. Cause any of me a blood clot trap for any blood clot. Why me not ask Christ him I forgot bring the money come give me why me sit down in my house. Me not going to no drug blood clot cat yard got blood clot breeding I know bando. Me not doing it. Me in my house. And yeah, babes, if you feel like it not safe yourself, me rent somewhere else or one part or one place. Yeah, that's the thing I got locked down. I will live in another rent house there. I will stack the money and the stuff them in another rent house there. Or I will live yourself same way. I saw it go. Some girl not have no skill. Them just want, you know, them just want a name. Them just want, you're too out there. You're too common. Calm down, man. Like, everything takes time. You gotta catch the ropes. There's levels to this. You get me? There is levels to this. You see, when you're with a real big boss man with a dream thing, you're not supposed